Hey guys, this is a question I get asked pretty often, so I just want to take some time to explain how to syntax highlight your code in Discord. So Discord uses a kind of coding language to format text known as Markdown. It's widely used by a bunch of things. It's used by GitHub, for instance. It's used by Reddit, but Discord uses it as well. Now you can do a few cool things with Markdown, but primarily today we're going to look at syntax coloring, right? So in order to do syntax coloring inline, you can format your stuff looking like code by using a single. It's like a tilde, right? So tilde is going to be the key next to one, right, to the left of one. You're going to get this little guy, and then you're going to say code, right, like that. And you'll see it highlights that right there, so it'll look like that. So if I wanted to talk about string variables inlines, this is inline, I would do this. Now it won't actually highlight this code, but it will actually kind of start to format it, right? So you can do kind of that formatting, but you can actually do full on syntax highlighting in blocks. So in order to do that, I want to do 3 of these, right? And then it's going to ask me which type of language I want. So I can say Markdown if I wanted to by saying MD or Markdown. When it turns green, that's how you know, right? I can say C sharp. I do have to type out C sharp. If you'll see, C does not work like that. You could do C++. Obviously, C is a language as well, so that works. Java, so on and so forth, right? I'm going to do C sharp, and then I'm going to make some new lines by holding shift and pressing enter a few times, and then I'm going to close it. So inside here, I can say class, we'll say public class program, and you can see it's already syntax highlighting. It will respect my tab spaces, right? So that's kind of cool too. And here I'm going to say public void, public static void main, and I'll give it a string of args like we've seen before. The syntax highlighting may be something different from what you have seen, but it will actually do stuff in here, right? And then I can do console.writeLine. This is a string. Close that, and then put a semicolon. Then we'll say, you know, string greeting is equal to hello. And then you can just say, you know, we do console.writeLine, and then we can do our greeting, right? So this won't actually execute any code, but it does make it a little bit easier to read your code if you're copying and pasting it into Discord, whether it be a private message or a public channel, right? So if I press enter, there you go. It's all printed out and it's highlighting my code. So yeah, a lot of people ask me how to do that. So I thought I would just record a short video and explain how to do that. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Have a great rest of your day.